Ang natutunan ko rito sa The Voice, mula nung sumali ko na-enhance yung pakikisama. Dapat pagpaalagan kung ano man yung talent na meron ka sa katawan. Kay Coach Lea, first choice ko yan. Hindi ako nabigo na alam ko meron ako matututunan mula nung piliin ko siya. Kagaya nung hindi kailangan ng kadramahan sa buhay para makakuha lang ng simpatya. Magpakatotoo ka. Maraming salamat, Coach Lea Salonga. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang ating puwang may kapal, yung nagbigay ng lalamunan ko. Tsaka yung mga nagmamahal at yung mga naniniwala sa kakayanan ko sa pagkanta, yung nanay ko, yung asawa ko, lahat ng mahal ko sa buhay, pati yung mga naiinis sa akin. Masasalamatan ko lahat yan. Sisiguraduhin kong ang boses ko ang nangingibabaw sa kompetisyong ito para makamit yung first ever The Voice of the Philippines. Hindi po ito The Face, The Voice po ito. Kaya aangkinin ko yung kampyonato.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Lea Salonga with the unconformable Vice Ganda and Team Lea's Grand Finalist, Minoy!
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you never come around.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and then I see the look in your eyes.
Turn around, bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Every now and then I get a little bit restless and I dream of something wild. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit helpless and lying like a child in your arms. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit angry and I know I gotta get out and try. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, but then I see the look in your eyes. Turn around, bright eyes. Turn around, bright eyes. Now and then I fall apart. I need you now tonight. I need you more forever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we'll only be making it right. 'Cause together we roll.
Together we can take it to the end. We can bring a shadow of I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. Living in a bag I can get unstuck. I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna stop tonight. Forever's gonna stop you now.
Time I was falling in love, now I'm only falling apart. Nothing I can do until the eclipse of the heart. Once upon a time there was a light in my life. Now I'm only falling apart. Nothing I can say, total eclipse of the heart. Total eclipse of the heart.
Turn around, bright eyes. Turn around,
Thank you very much for giving us a performance we will never...